RAPID TCT is a great opportunity to not only learn about all of the new innovations in additive manufacturing, but also meet and network with those in the industry that are making things happen. There's no other event in the US that captures the industry in such a holistic way. Manufacturers new to AM should know two primary things. While additive manufacturing is truly transformational, it will not replace traditional manufacturing. Rather, it's complementary and enables advancements that would not otherwise be possible. One of the biggest hurdles to adoption is the fear of being replaced, fear of something new. But the more you learn about the opportunities it presents, this fear will quickly dissipate. The second thing to know is that there are more 3D printing technologies out there than you realize. There are many technologies, each very unique and specific to particular applications. So be sure to educate yourself and determine which technologies make the most sense for your specific needs. Women in 3D printing is all about supporting an industry more representative of the world we live in, and RAPID TCT has been a longtime supporter of the organization and this mission. Women in 3D Printing is the largest networking group in the AM industry, and RAPID TCT supports this with speaking opportunities, social events, and opportunities to gain greater exposure to the industry as a whole.